What's up, everybody? So today we're on a roof that just got completed yesterday. This is a CertainTeed Northgate. Georgetown gray is the color. Looks very, very nice. This is a class 4 impact resistant, meaning that it has a rubber matting in it as well. So when that hail comes through, it's going to bounce off of it and it's going to absorb some of that impact versus typical asphalt shingles, or a solely asphalt shingle. As you guys can see, right across the way, we've got a Max Def Heather blend. That's a Northgate as well. So they're doing the impact resistant also. This neighborhood was hit pretty hard by hail last June, and they're having quite a bit of problems. There's even a lady who was walking her dog and she just got her roof replaced last week. Mentioned that she had some interior leaks. So sneaks up on you just because you don't have missing shingles or visible damage from the ground doesn't mean that you don't have a problem. We'll be doing that house with the solar panels next week as well. And then we've got the house right across the street over there. We got the yard sign over there. So yeah, if you guys haven't had your inspection this year yet, then feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to provide that free service for you and just give you that peace of mind that you're safe and your prized possession and biggest investment is all taken care of. So feel free to give me a call, 720-263-1411.